Hedgewitch Herbarium presents Animal Totems, featuring the crab, suggested meditation music, The Crossing by Hagalah's Rune Dance. Message: Attune to the moon. Dream symbols: mother issues, withdrawing or retreat, subconscious messages, protection and defense, and emotional vulnerability. Totem powers: defensive magic, family, renewal, transformation and intuition, medicine, healing old wounds. Herbs and plants: bladderwrack, valerian and rosemary. Gemstones: moonstone, pyrite and aquamarine. Associated deities: Hera, Karkinos, Poseidon, Amphitrite, Titipihin and Aphrodite or Venus. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more. Blessed be.